Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day Well. Good morning. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Welcome to Kino Life in. I'm back in Miami, So I'm back in Miami. So, guys, I came here yesterday, from that drive from Orlando. And trust me, I just want to sleep. When I get here, I just feel tired. So I've been sleeping. Been sleeping yesterday, so trust me. So I never get to do any video yesterday when I was coming in, so I said, let me give you guys a room tour of where I'm staying now, so. But you guys must be wondering, Sakina's moving from here to there, it's moving from Airbnbs to Airbnb, so I'm not even lying. I've been blessed, highly blessed, to be having these wonderful experiences. Moving from one Airbnb to the next. I'm on that tour like Michael Jackson. You know what I mean? So blessed love to all guys. So as you can see, I'm gonna also be on my journey, back to New York, because I'm going to New Jersey, so I'm gonna be heading into Jersey Saturday. So I'm gonna be heading into Jersey as well too, guys. So yes. Okay, yeah, so I'm ready, because I'm going to head on the road as well quickly. So now I'm ready, I'm dressed. So while I'm here, I'm just going to give you a quick room tour of where I'm staying. So now I'm back in Cutler Bay, right? Yes. So I'm back in Cutler Bay, guys. So Cutler Bay, I'm at this next Airbnb here in Cutler Bay. So this Airbnb called Cutler Bay. It says Cutler Bay in Cutler Bay. I like the way that sounds. Cutler Bay in Cutler Bay. If you want to doggy play, Cutler Bay in Cutler Bay. Come around and don't get sweat. Cutler Bay in Cutler Bay. Know what to do and know what to say. Cutler Bay in Cutler. What am I doing? Rapping? So like I'm rapping, right? Cutler Bay in Cutler Bay. Come around and don't come play. Alright, so enough of that. So yes, guys, I'm here in Cutler Bay. So first, let me give you a nice tour before, the drive pulls up. I'm looking through the window. So guys, so this way I'm standing now, I'm literally inside the kitchen. So let me show you the kitchen area right here. So, tell me what you think. This is all modern kitchen, I'm so inspired, going to all this Airbnb. So I know, for me, the future is going to be bright. So, as you can see, this little island right here, this is your kitchen counter. I like this kitchen, is so white and so nice, and as you see, when I just turn the pipe on, you see that light. So you see, when it get warm, it turns red, I'm gonna be getting this pipe as well too. You know, only they got one for shower. Yeah, so that's nice. So I'm gonna get one for myself. So alright guys, so this is the kitchen, you know. Cutler Bay. You know, this kitchen is nice, you know, I like the floor mat, you know, on the floor. You know, I like it. But you know, there's two of them standard hot plate stove. I was using this one, so I just clean up. So you know, microwave is here. You know, microwave is gonna always be here because I'm not a fan of microwave. You know, so I don't use microwave. So most of these stuff, I don't get a chance to use them. So I don't get a chance to use none of these. You know, guys. So this is the kitchen right here. You know, as you can see, nice cupboards right here. You have the pantry. Oh, this is more cupboards over here. As you can see, nice and white. And so you know, over here you got your little mini dining table also, right? So this is the mini dining table, same way. So you have the workstation here where I sit down and work from, you know, and above me, you know, I got a TV, but you know me, I don't watch TV. I'm always here working. TV turn on, TV on. There you go, TV on, it's come on. Alright guys, so this is my workstation, little mini dining table. So let me give you a good look from the kitchen from here. Let's look at this. Beautiful. So nice, you know, it's so nice. You know, it's so nice. So from here, let me take you literally 1 second. So guys, from here, let me take you to this game room. Okay, now I noticed each and every one of these rooms also have a game room. So take a look on this game room. Let's take a look at this game room. Look at this. This is a game room, you know. This is a game room. You know, so this is nice when you come like a group of people can come on down, you know, and book this place. You know, you have a game room here. So it's got 2 beds right down here, 2 single one, and you have one. So this is a big 3 bunk bed, you know. You have the TV, you have the game stuff in there. So this is a nice game room, you know. And you see your wardrobes, your walk-in closet, big mirrors, so you know you can see, you know, so you got things to store your clothes, anything. If you come with a group of you got too many clothes, you want to take some out your suitcase, you know, you got all different type. So this is the game room. No, hold on. Yeah, hello? Alright, so this is the game room. Nice, no, it's very nice, very nice. And also, let me show you, the game room also lead to outside. You know, where you have the space. Yes, so it leads to outside where you have a nice shit area. This is at the side part of the house, so it's not at the back. So there's more for you to see. Alright, so so this was the kitchen, and the kitchen is a sensor light. You see, no light is on, and as soon as I walk in the kitchen, damn, light is on. So wonderful. So this is our sensor, right? So let me move over to the big living room. The big living room. Just look at this living bay. So guys, so we're in Cutler Bay, in Cutler Bay. So here's the next dining table I was telling you guys about. So that was the mini one, and this is the bigger one, right? So you can see, let me say, if you're coming down with a group of you guys and everything. So this is it. Lovely table. I love this. And to talk about that, I forgot to tell you about this one. Look at this one. I like this chair. So let me come back to this quickly. You know, I really like this chair. This table is nice, but let's get back to over here where the big dining table is. Right? Nice. So you got 2 chairs here if you feel like the table full up. And look at this settee. Most people call it couch. Some say settee, some say couch. So your choice. You got a big TV on the wall, you know, big 75-inch TV on the wall. You know, so this is like a cinema room, you know. And just look at this. Lovely. So nice. You know. So this is the dining, the living area, you know, big space, as I can see, very big, very big, very big spaces, you know. So before I go to the bedroom, let me show you outside as well too. So guys, so before I show you the bedrooms, let me show you on the outside, you know. So we're walking from here, there's the big living room, you know, coming back through where the kitchen area is, going back out here is like a patio, you know. So look out here, nice. So this is on the outside, you know, but we're indoors. We're outside, but we're in. You know, you have a mini bar here, you know. You have a mini bar, you know, of course. Out here is where the laundry is. You know, you do your laundry right in here. Your dryer, your washer is here. So you need to do your laundry and all of that, right? So that is that. So look at this nice space here. You know, so I'm saying this is more suited for like a group of people. Like you can still come as a couple, you can still come on your own, but this would be nice if a group of you guys, you know, traveling, you know, I want to spend that time in Cutler Bay, and you can stay here at Cutler Bay. So it's Cutler Bay in Cutler Bay. So this is on the outside. Oh, I forgot to show you as well too. As I said, we got a projector is right here as well too. This is a projector, so that is the blinds there, you know, where you pull down your projector. If you feel like having a movie night, you know, and you just pull this down, voila, you know, you can have a big movie night. It come all the way down, you know. So go back up, go back up, go back up. Ah, there you go. It's back up, you know, your projector there if you want to have a movie night, you know. So let me take you on the outside. Look at this big yard space, so big. So if you want to keep Stone Love and Jam rocking inside here, it's so big, it's huge. It is huge. Look, it's huge. Yeah. So here's your grill over there. If you want to jerk or grill anything, it's chair here. And the next thing, if you feel like hanging out outside in the night, you have your TV on the wall also. Right there. TV on the wall also. Just imagine that. Spoiled for choices, right? So let's take you around some more. So guys, so let's show you guys the bedroom, you know. So I'm literally walking back through the living room. Let's take you to bedroom 1 and bedroom 2 and bedroom 3, you know. So bedroom 1 right here. So this is bedroom 1. Look at this, so nice. Nice floor mat, this rug on the ground, so nice. As you can see, TV is also in here, you know. Nice bed. This bed sleeps so comfortable last night, I'm not even lying. Sleep so comfortable, so comfortable. Wow. So this is room number 1, which is, you know, a Kino bedroom. So you call this the Kino bedroom, you know. Yes. See, they're so unique. They got some antique stuff, you know. Just like the way all these, but them have the smartest, greatest idea to be unique of having some nice stuff here, decor in their rooms, you know. So let's show you the bathroom that's included with this room, which is right here. You know, look at this bathroom. Nice and clean, you know, white towels as usual, you know. Glass door shower, boom, 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 you know. And this shower is powerful, you know. I'm telling you, this shower is so powerful. As I turn it on, it's like it was spraying me out the shower, you know. It's got a powerful force, you know. So it's very nice, you know. Very nice, guys, very nice. Toothpaste, you know the thing goes, you know the thing goes. So let's take you over here to the next room. So So here you have room number 2. Pretty, don't it? So room number 2. Each room, you know, come with a nice comfortable TV and the room is so comfortable, so cozy and so nice. Right? So cozy and so nice. So guys, as I said, the link is also in the description, you know. The link is in the description. So here we have the next room over here. You got the next room and over here. And I noticed these owners, they like artwork. Each Airbnb that I've been to so far got some artwork on the wall. You know, so you know, art is everything. Love is heart. Heart is love. You know, so nice. TV on the wall as usual. So guys, you cannot go wrong, you know. So this is Cutler Bay here, and here's the next bathroom we have right here. And look, when I came in yesterday, look what's provided. So if you don't carry no things for the showers, look what they provided for you. Yeah, look what they provided. So you know, each room is all LED. Everything is LED light. LED. Yes, and you also have a wardrobe, so trust me. Guys, and here's where you entered from, right? So once you enter, you know what you're looking at. Yeah. You're looking at the future. Once you enter, open the door, you step in, you're looking at yourself. Hello, good morning. That is it. So guys, so this is it. So the link is in the description. You know, you see the number pop up across the screen. You know, if you don't know how to find the link, the number is there. You can call and they can lead you into the thing. So this is me stepping outside. Good morning, my neighbors. Look at your neighborhood. So this is your neighborhood. So it's lovely. So you just wake up and you come out and you say, good morning, my neighbors. How are you feeling? Blessed love, guys. So thank you so much for this. Was the room tour. Trust me, dude, so big, you know. So for future, more greatness, you know. So guys, I'm gonna head on the road now. So the link is in the description. Thank you so much. You know, stay tuned. The journey. So guys, I'm going back inside, so you know the thing goes. Have a good day, a good morning, or a good night, anywhere you are. Kino Life in Southwest Miami. So we here at Cutler Bay in Cutler Bay. So come stay in Cutler Bay, right here in Cutler Bay. Me don't know what them are pre about. A keynote. True. Well, guys, blessed love. Yes, guys, you know you're gonna see this video. I jump from one to the next. So I transition from one place to another, you know, because sorry I didn't get to give you a video, you know, while I was on the road today, you know, because for some reason I wasn't in the video mood today. I don't know why, but I wasn't in that mood today to be videoing, because I did want to show you guys some, you know, my daily movement for today. But today I wasn't in that zone, so sorry, right? So this video is kind of different right now, you know, because it's like a transition from earlier today and now later on tonight, you know. So hope you don't mind my videoing skills for today, you know. You can let me off, right? Huh? What you say? Maybe you say yes, Kino will let you off. Alright, thanks, you know. Thank you so much for letting me off. But trust me, you know, because it's moving up and down today, you know, because, you know, flight and everything. So I've been moving up and down, getting some stuff, so I never get a chance, you know. And then, so to say this, to say that, you know, just imagine, remember where I was at that Airbnb Cutler Bay, you know. Remember my flight is at Fort Lauderdale, right? So I was at Cutler Bay today, you know, in Cutler Bay. Cutler Bay, Cutler Bay. Yeah, so today now I'm in Miami more, you know, I'm down in Miami more, right? So I'm at this next spot, you know. It's called Hidden Gem. So it's definitely hidden away, you know. It's more like a private sector for yourself. It is very, very private. So now I came in and put my stuff down because I literally just reach in, put my bag down, put everything, you know. So I packed some stuff, so I got more packing to do and everything. So I just come and sit down. So I said I'll speak to you guys before I move. So I'm here in this recliner chair, you know, so reclining, you know, see, I'm going down. So I feel like I can sleep here, you know. Look, feet's there. Just look at what I'm looking at. Just look at what I'm looking at. So let me bring myself back up. Bring myself back up. Feet down and everything. So let me show you guys where I'm staying now. So I'm right here, you know, in Miami. You know, close to a lot of attractions. So I'm here in Miami. So I'm at this it's called Hidden Gem. This Airbnb is called Hidden Gem, right? So this is, I'm literally in the bedroom, right? I'm literally in the bedroom right here. So here's the bed right next to me, right here. So let me start from in the room. See, sure. See, I put my bag down, it's there. So this is the bedroom, guys. That's where I was just sitting down in that chair there. So this is my bed, right? I was gonna edit, so I set my stuff up to go and edit, but it doesn't seem like or feel like I'm gonna do that. So here I got my edit station right here, you know. So as you can see, it's a nice, comfortable Hidden Gem. Private, if you're traveling alone, or you're traveling with a girl, you know, so it is like that. So this is not a whole family unit. This is a couple unit or a single unit for yourself, you know. So as you can see, it's a 2-seater chair. You can have 3 or 4 here. You understand? So this is the room, you know, and you have a liquor. If you decide to eat inside and not want to go eat outside, where I'm going to show you in a minute. So you have this two plates, you know. So it's a 2 versus 2 chairs. So you can see it's a couple thing. This room is a couple room, right? TV here, you know, TV here. I'm gonna say you have complimentary drinks in here. You know, you're gonna, if you're ever a drinker, you like to drink, trust me, you're gonna be spoiled. So this is my complimentary basket. I don't know if I'm gonna travel with this. Look, I got a handmade vodka. Look how bossy it is. It have a winter jacket. You know, so guys, I hope you guys enjoying these videos, you know. Thank you so much, you know. So here's a little mini bar. Look at choices right here. Malibu, you know, the thing got Caribbean rum, coconut thing, Malibu, you know, the thing goes, you know. And check this out. Boy, you know, get me drink any of these, you know. But if you're here, trust me, you can pull out something and drink something, you know. That's how it is. And here's my welcome basket. You know, you have a welcome basket, you know, with your rag, your lavender, you know, your Bath and Body Works candles, light up in here, you know, smell up the place, you know. So this is like a en-suite, you know, studio type, you know, studio type and thing. So yeah, so I come put on my stuff. So this is the closet, you know. So here I'm still ready to go do some packing. So let me close that off. So here you have the kitchen also inside here. You know, you have like a mini kitchen right inside here. You have the sink, you know, the sink right here. You know, you have a stove and you have your fridge. You know, you have your fridge. Your kitchen cupboard. As I say, guys, that's the bedroom there. So this is like an en-suite. You have everything at a small place. You have your window. If you're cooking, you open the window to let out the food scent. You know, microwave is here. Same way, your microwave is there. You know, fridge. Look in my fridge. Hey, I got stacks and bundles. Yes. So this is a quick. But look at my chair. Look at underneath it. Bling bling light. You know, pretty light and everything. So let me take you outside to the dance floor. If you feel like dancing. Dancing. So guys, look, you step outside here. Let's look at this. You own a private space. It's like you're in a dance mood, you know. See, you have your little bar here, you have your TV here, As you look, you see Keenan Life and Jamaica is on the TV. You know, you think go Keenan Life in Jamaican TV, you know, so nice little bar, you know, and you got fruits, and you also have your energy bars. So you're also blessed. I'm blessed with energy bars, and I also have grapes and apple, you know, complimentary. So right here you have a community here, but also it's still 2 chairs. Look, 1, 2, it's 2 chairs. And you know what I like? Them have this little style with a chover. You always have a chover inside the chair. Even in the bedroom, you can just throw it over yourself if you feel a bit cool, right? So that is it. Sound system here, you know what I'm saying? You come here, you want to play to local music, it's right here, hook it up, boom, boom, and you go and play to music and you go and dance along, you know. Here's another seated area right here. You're seated. So you know if the place ever get hot and you're here, you have 3 fans. 1, 2, 3. And trust me. What size you wear? You. I'm talking to you that's watching right now. Yes, you miss. Yeah, you the one that sit down in your living room watching. I know you're watching with your husband, but still, what size you wear? Just tell me, I'll send this for you. You know, my beautiful extended family, my lovely viewers, my lovely subscribers. So tell me which one of you would wear this right now. I send it for you in the address. You know? Just tell me, I will send it for you. You? I see you laugh. You're laughing. Why are you laughing? Because you like it, right? Can you walk in this? Because you feel like you're going to walk uphill. You know? Can you manage this? Yeah. Don't worry. I will send it for you. So yes guys, so check it out. So it's very nice, you know, it's simple, you know. Papaya here, so you can wash your hands. See me right here. After you finish, right, you're gonna eat it here and watch, you know. You got a fridge here, also another fridge outside here, also, you know, fridge. And I like these lights in the ceiling. This is giving me pure ideas to do the same while I'm at home. So yes, let's take it to the laundry room and the bathroom. So here's the laundry room. Okay, you know, so dirty clothes after wash. You can't wear the same clothes 7 days after a week. Is it? So if you feel like you don't use your hand, you use the machine to wash, and you the dryer to dry if you don't have to hang it on the wall. You know, you say you have all different type of basket. So you cannot wear the same clothes 7 days after a week. No, you can't, but you can wash it. It's up to you. Right, so laundry room is joined to the bathroom, as you can see. It's joined to the bathroom. So here you go, in the bathroom. Look at the light, beautiful light. As you can see, toilet over here. Them say it's always to keep the toilet seat down. Bang, I keep it down. So toilet over here, you know, nice glass shower as well too. You know, it's a glass shower. There you go. Glass shower there. So, so you see, simple but nice. Alright, so let me take you on the outside to show you what this is. The back entrance. You need to go outside. Let me show you what outside is like. There you go. Oh, wow. So if you want some little bit of nightlife, we have the nightlife out here. Check out the nightlife experience, guys. So you have your tent. You can sit down under your tent and enjoy yourself as a couple, or if you invite anyone over, you're good, right? Let's look at this backline. So this is what it looks like in the night time in the back garden. Really nice. So you have your own private entrance, as you can see, like a dance floor. Private entrance. You have your tent. So you have you enter from here, you know. So it's all security, you know. Well, security for surety. Alright, so you all enter from here, you know. You have your own. So you can drive in. Also, you drive in. You can park your vehicle in here, you know, if you drive in. So yeah, man. This is a hidden gem. So it's off grid, you know, here in Miami. So you guys, so it's the same link, you know, the same contact details, you know, for all. So showcasing this, you know, add it to the vlog, so you know it goes already. I'll be on my journey next, you know, heading out. So let's go inside. So yes guys, boy, when the most keen, you're most tired. But no, there's no tired in my name. I have to work. All if a chicken I'm jerking, I'm still working. You know, so peace. Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. So, guys, so you know the thing goes. So I'm at the airport. You know, so back to New York. So I'm gonna check in. You know, so see there.
Yeah, more video, you know, brother. That means you do anything, you know.
Yeah, so you see there. Big up yourself.
Yes, brother. Yes, brother.
You know, yeah.
Don't go for the man's vlog, brother.
Yes,
that means the man got big up. Yeah, man.
Big up every time, man. Oh, no, man. Yeah, guys. So you know the thing, though, guys. If we pick up our subscribers, we never see them, our viewers, you know.
Downer, Charles.
Downer and Charles.
From Portland, Kingston.
Oh, Portland and Kingston.
Yeah, alright.
For myself, you know. So you know, guys. The thing goes already. You have to always bless us.
So we say
each
what
and
now?
every time. Type.
Alright, say one. You know the picture again.
You want another phone? Come on. Okay, so I'm checking in, you know, so we meet our subscribers while I'm here checking in. So you know it goes already, you know, down himself. You have a baller, you have a footballer name, you know, Joe Downer.
Oh, Joe Downer. My mom, guys.
Yeah, you have to take it for your mom, you know, and tell her, so, yo, you're just a kid, you know.
My mom, if you talk to my mom all the time.
Okay.
Beverly, if you talk to her.
Oh.
Take a picture of me and then send it to me. Alright. That's how things that, you know. Take a remark.
Alright guys, so
Continue the boarding process for passengers in flight 322 with services.
yes, I gone through all my checks, you know, gone through all my checks and everything, and so I have to also big up my subscribers that were I met while I was coming through the security checks as well to She did say her name. I forgot her name. You know, please don't cuss me when you see this video, right? I forgot your name. You know, but you did say. But you say you're gonna reach out, right? Yeah, man. Blessings to you as well too. And the two general them that I meet when I was checking in. You know, and the next Empress that she was at the security entrance. You know, so make sure you look out for me next time. Cause you said, you know, should I let me know you're coming in so you don't have to stay in the long line. So yeah, man. So next time, you know, the thing goes already. Next time when you see me, just take me out of the line then. You know, I said, come Keenan, but I was already at the front still, you know. So I was scanning my bags and everything. So yeah, man. So blessings to all my viewers, you know, my subscribers who watch Kia Life in Jamaica. Yes, guys, so we're waiting now to go on board the flight. You know, so just literally here sitting down waiting. Busy morning, as you can see. You know, so I hope it's not a rough flight like the last one. You know, so I hope them fix the pothole them. You know, this car. You know, the thing was already. They fix them pothole them. So once they fix it, man, we're good. You know, it's like we're up on the highway 2000 and driving. You know, so. Okay, so. Blessed love, so you know the thing though. Jersey, that's my next stop. Kev Lifestyle, big up yourself for your wifey, you know, soon, dream team. Literally just touched down in New York. You know, it's quite cold outside, so yes. So now I'm just waiting on my suitcase. Once I get my suitcase, I'll be going outside. You know, because you know the Empress, you know, she's on her way as well to come and pick me up. Empress niche. You know, so guys, remember to follow her on her Instagram, you know, Empress niche. So I'm telling you, right now I'm hungry. So as soon as I get out of here, I'm gonna go get something to eat, you know. Definitely for sure. So I'm just waiting on my luggage to come out, and then I'm out of here. Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. I know you most can see it on me jet lag. You know, a jet lag or a plane lag. Air lag, some type of lag I got right now, you know. Trust me, hungry as well. Hey, I'm telling you guys. So yeah, I'm here. You know the thing goes. Finally, I'm here, and we have the Empress is here. Empress niche. You know, she's a niche. You know, Empress niche. She's a niche. Yes, guys. I thank her so much, you know, for meeting me at the airport. You know, I'm telling you. Empress niece, trust me. The love that you show, I'm telling you guys, isn't it? It's really a blessing. It's like everywhere I go, you know, I keep on getting that love. That's why it's good to do good, right, Empress?
That's right.
It's good.
That's right, definitely.
It is good.
You do good and good will follow. That's the key.
So that's the key, guys. I'm telling you, the good is following, and because so Roger Radar, you know, the man said, boy, I'm not like, you know, the Empress, she kinda help me out too, you know, because you know she always try to show you the spots them and everything, you know, and man say, oh, that's a good bonus, you understand? So at least now, you know, when I put all the pressure on Roger, you know, Empress, you know, trust me, reaching out and helping out. But boy, I tell you, when you come to Jamaica, I have to go return this favor, boy. I have to return this favor. She said, Kino, I said, alright, I'm coming. You know? She said, where you at? I said, don't worry, I'll be there. Because trust me, guys, she make sure she started first. The hospitality, you know, the care, not to show me, I'm for sure that at Jamaica. Where she don't know anywhere in Jamaica, imagine that.
Anyway, so.
No, we at all.
Yeah, like Mr. Kino, eat a lot too when we go to Jamaica, you know, so you have to bring me to all of the ital spot them.
Okay. So you hear that? She a plan for eat a lot, you know.
You stop at every parish.
Hey, well, you only can say that when you get there, you're probably not eat so much. You know, anxiety take you because you're back in Jamaica, you know.
Oh my goodness.
And the phone you're up and down, you just not gonna eat so much. But true, you miss the Jamaica food, right? The natural, the Caribbean culture food, guys. I know she's missing that. That's why she's saying that. She want to go the Ibo spice, the living food, the open. We call up us again, Dubwise Cafe, you know, Veggie Campus, you know, all of the items what them show want to go. But we know say she can probably eat one time for the day. You know, so I'm not lying, it's kind of bad, you know, for her, for knowing that she born in Jamaica. I only know one place, Negril.
That's terrible, that's terrible.
You know, like, imagine it.
The tourists, them know Jamaica more than me. That's embarrassing.
But it's not, but at least your grub's trick, you know. You could go outside and get whooping.
Right.
You get beaten, right?
Well, sometimes.
Sometimes.
My father used to tell lie and say me sickly. Because he never want nobody to hit me.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, so why, my parents will lick you?
My grandmother.
Oh, your grandmother?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because at one point I used to live with my father, so he did bring us go stay with the grandmother, but him tell lie and say me sickly, so she not hit me. So I didn't really get much beaten. Yeah.
Okay. So him smart, him find out because no father, no mother like when their child got hit.
Right.
You know, trust me. Especially my father. The man don't like when you nobody lick me no bigger than me when I'm young, you know. You know, because you guys, trust me. I like to defend my friend them. You know, and sometimes you have a bigger man them talk or something, and I will try to talk back something. You know, them try to say, hey boy, blah, 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 blah. You know. And once I go tell my father, trouble. Trouble, yeah, I tell you.
Yeah, my father never used to hit me down, you know, but like just when he look on you, he come like a beating.
Well, my
because
father,
him so serious. Yeah, we used to be afraid of my father. Yeah, and all into a look. That's it.
At least your father look. Mine give it to me. My father give it to me. You see me, rest of the man that tell me say, you know, don't leave after the yard.
Right.
Or don't leave the corner. Because you know in a church when you're young, we always have a little bench where you sit up outside the gate where you can sit down on the sidewalk. So that is your squatters. You're not supposed to move from there. You know, but you always have your friends them, you know.
Right.
And them always have go places and them always have trouble here saying, watch your house right time can't go nowhere. You see me? Where sometimes I try for us to follow them, go up the road. More time my father asleep. But when them man they wake up and look outside and see me. And look up all up the road and see me and the fan. Oh Kino! Come here! Jesus, I'm crying.
You know it's over.
That is the slowest walk to China. You say you walk so slow, you know, like I'm counting my steps. You know, them baby walk there. And him don't move, you know, him stay at that same spot where him stay and call me from right at the gate. I wait for me to reach down. You know? And by the time I reach at least 50 feet away, I can't look in them eyes and see them place are dark. And I'm like, God damn, you see me? And I reach close, I'm like, what am I tell you, say? Go in the yard. You see me? And then when the wave and go.
Yeah.
Listen, but see my mother, she will lick me, she will look.
Right.
You know? When my mother look, you know, some serious look, you know.
Yeah.
So you know, say one, and you go say, look, palm with a serious look there. Have easy.
Yeah.
More time my mother say, when my father go beat me, you know. They will say, yo, don't lick him, man. It done there, so.
Yeah.
But when she know the boat, yeah, man. I know most time, you know, we have to sweep up the yard or wash up the place whenever we come from school before we go outside. You know, sometimes we don't do that. Because I hear the ball and bum outside, more run go play football.
Right.
You know, so by the time we say we go play some football, you know, time catch up when you look. Sometimes your father come home early. And him come early and realize that the plate not wash up, the yard not sweep up. Jesus, I'm crying. When them man they send me for the belt. Man say go for the belt.
You have to get the belt for the feet.
Of course, 20 minutes later, the pan. I went there and come out yet. You know,
can't find the
can't
belt.
find the belt. And when I do bring the belt, go out there. The first rise it, man. I forgot swing it and hold on point. So I then keep it. Keep it, man. Oh, man, start giving some punch for my hand them. Like, you see me, I've been through it, you know. But as I say, it was for the greater good. It kind of teach me, you know, for literally just hold your composure. You understand? Because sometimes when you follow a company, you get in trouble.
That's true, man. That's true.
And you're the bad lucky one for getting in trouble because you find out say you follow a company.
Exactly.
So the company where you are follow
the
them.
follower always the main one we get in trouble.
Exactly.
You know? Yeah.
You know, my name easy for call, you know, because it show me kind of sensitive. Them time whenever somebody will say something woman I like want to fight. You understand?
Okay.
And then next thing you know them go complain say it's a keynote that's our fight. Oh Lord God.
God have mercy.
Yeah?
So let me ask you something, Kino. You think say kids them right now in Jamaica get beaten?
No star.
Like how kids used to get beaten back in our days from them parents.
Yeah man, they want them lock up them parents. And that's
really?
going right now in Jamaica, of course. Them coming with that system, you know, the same foreign system now.
Wow.
You know, once they lick your kids, them can go report it, you know. And them look at things there.
So how about in school? Because we used to get beaten for being late.
Yeah, that not in a school again. Me used to get beat in a school, you know. That don't happen again, not anymore.
Wow.
You know, things change. Yeah. Remember when we get when we're late, you know, you get your 10 whip, or if you're in a class or you misbehave, you got the vice principal officer, the teacher say, stretch out your hand.
Right.
And you just say, stretch out your hand.
That not exists again.
No, star. Like somebody else been a problem. Because you know what happened? You have some teachers used to like kind of abuse it, you know?
Okay,
they come here with them problem and take it up on some of the students them also, you know?
True.
So them kind of change that because a lot of parents, when the kids them come home, they find out so them have a wheel on them skin by the belt mark, you know, and even a friend of mine he get blind by a teacher. Because you know when time before the class over, them always say, put the head on the desk, you know, and be quiet, so everyone have them head on the desk. But you know, like if they them attack and teacher come over him forgot lick him on him back. You see me, but the belt, the point of the belt, licking them eye, you see me, and blind him, you know. So
and probably not come out of that.
No, not come out of it.
That's so terrible.
But the father go over there angry. You see me? Go for the teacher, but she's missing in action, you know. So just imagine that.
Right.
So a lot of that used to go on, you know. We used to get licked, you know. We still have a belt mark right there upon my hand, you know. And that are from teacher. You understand? Just imagine when time here
it's a good thing.
Kids are come home and it's a belt mark. How you feel for no so a teacher you beat my picnic more than me.
And they probably do something simple like, oh, them know the answer for, you know, a question, you know, and that's not a reason for hit a child.
Or if you attack and then look at things, you know.
Right.
Them days they're done still, you know.
Right.
So it's good in our way and bad because right now the student them a beat off teacher right now. You have some students that fight teacher right now, you know. Back in the days that could have gone.
Right.
You see me? So sometimes things change sometimes for the good and change for the bad. So it's sometimes in a balance.
Right,
you know? So
right.
you guys just tell me what you think, you know, because my opinion for what I see, you know. Back in the days when the kids used to get beaten, them kind of have more respect for the teacher, you know. But now that stopped. You know, back in the days when time, you know, parents used to put on 1 and 2 lick on the pit of them, you know, even though them say lick not really help. But for some, it do help. You know, them things they stop.
For some it help, but
And some it won't.
Yeah.
No, you have people right now, them call them this generation of vipers. I disrespect them parents.
Father.
I backchat them. You see me? I
Yes.
tell them about them parts. And them could think that I go already. You see me like
them something that not
them thing
even
you
know.
want no, you know, man. Remember one time he could even cuss no bad word make any all the people hear.
Yeah.
You know, cause once them say, oh, me gotta tell your mother or tell your father, licks me I get for that. You know? And you can't kiss your teeth off on little people.
Right.
And when you pass anybody, you have to say good morning or good afternoon or good evening. Otherwise, a problem you don't see your way. You know, so a lot of things change, you know? A lot of things change, you know?
But some kids still get some terrible beating down there, you know.
From them
From
parents.
parents because,
Yeah.
you know, me not lie. The last time I went to Jamaica, I experienced something, man. It's
Yeah.
terrible. Little girl I get beaten because her mother sent her to go bathe. And she had take long. And the woman gala kick the pitney. We say, wow.
Yeah. Some,
You know?
some parents go hard still, you know?
Yeah.
Some parents really, really bad. But yes, guys, so I'm back. I am back here.
Welcome
you know,
back
we're in
NYC.
NYC, you know. I miss Florida already. Miami, you know, Mommy Charmaine, you know, big up on yourself, all the nurses, them. Kevin, big up yourself, bro. You know, that's Mommy Charmaine's son, you know, so you know that's my bro, you know. So me have a family away from family, you know. So you know, Florida one of my home as well, you know, so you know the thing goes, big up Mommy Charmaine. So I always feel so welcome, you know. Like she literally, me I tell you, boy, mommy, I really got two mommy. We have more mommy out there, you know. You see me, trust me. But Miss Charmaine and my mommy,
Can't wait to go get some more nice porridge.
hey, she make good porridge, you know. Hey, Miss Charmaine make some banana and plantain porridge there. Whoa. Bad.
Porridge you look good.
You look good, man. Man, I like. Yeah, man. Empress, you know, one Empress niche in the building, guys. You know, I would say go and follow her up on her Instagram if you want to. You know, I know you're going to. You know, 'cause a lot of them follow you, right? She get
A good amount.
a good amount. Them being good? Tell me, you know.
Yeah.
Okay.
You have some very good subscribers.
Okay, so that's nice, guys. So if I may go over there,
Very
being
nice, sweet people, them.
That is good, right?
Yeah.
The Empress, man, the sister locks, you know, the sister locks. Alright, Empress, man, I love the Empress energy, you know, me because you know she's a natural, you know, she have this good energy, and you know, and for someone that really want to help you out, you know, bring you around, like, trust me, it does wonders, you know, man, I lie, it really does wonders. Empress is a plus. I have to play my part when you come. Me, I make sure I pick her up from the airport, drop her back at the airport. Cause remember, she just picked me up from airport. Just imagine that she picked me up from airport as well. She make that effort, you know. Trust me, so I just said, alright then, you know, Empress. Well, Empress, you're something else. So why you star sign?
I'm a Sag. Like my horoscope sign, I guess. I'm a Sagittarius.
Oh, Sagittarius.
Yeah.
You have to go research Sagittarius.
Yeah.
You know,
I don't really know much about that. I mean, I really follow it, but yeah.
Okay. So
that's my sign, guys. Want to think about us?
She's a Saggy. She is a Saggy. And guys, another thing, you see, Empress, she's a gym fanatic, you know. She works out, so she have got to put me through that test, you know. I'm gonna try to keep up with her. Definitely gonna do a workout session here with her for sure, because trust me, she always in the gym.
You see if you can keep up with me, Kino.
Yes. But guys, don't laugh without keep up, you know, because remember, I'm kind of unfit. So if I don't keep up, because I see she work out in those things, I'm like, I probably cannot keep up. You don't know. I'm going to push out the efforts here, you know, and work out, you know, because I want to go back to Jamaica. Kick her. Yes, but stay tuned for that one. You're going to see we are work out for sure. You know, I can't manage too much legs in an Empress.
Yeah, we go do full body.
I'm not, don't want, cannot walk. You know, Cause you know legs not easy, you know.
It's not easy for you.
Well, cause you're used to it. You see what me I say? It's not easy for me, but it's easy for she.
Yeah.
So imagine that.
If you work out with me, I have to do total body workout.
Oh Lord, man.
You
Empress,
can't just pick up a body.
Empress, you have to take time with me though. Oh gosh, man. It's him, take time with me, guys. Yes, guys, so you know we're gonna get something to eat, you know, because you know it's been a long day on the road. And we know the Empress must want something to eat as well too, you know, and then you know me already. While the plane flight take out everything out of my belly because JetBlue not give anything more than banana chips, you know, and water. Or if I want like a Minute Maid. So JetBlue give anything, so that can't afford nothing. So right now I need a shark.
Yes.
You know I had shark when I was in Trinidad and I tried it for the first. Yeah. Bacon shark.
What's the bake? Bread?
Bread. Like it's like dumpling, it's like fried dumpling.
Okay.
It's like fried dumpling. Yes, guys. So yeah, man, stay tuned. We're gonna find somewhere to get some food. You know, first Empress is gonna get our next vehicle, right?
Yeah. So I'm actually driving alone right now. So I have to go pick up my vehicle at the dealership.
Yeah.
And then we go eat something.
Alright. So Empress is gonna get her vehicle because this is a loaner. Our vehicle is getting service. So
Right.
that's even good, you know. Over here, when they get in a vehicle service, they give you a next vehicle. Jamaica, once they get a vehicle service, they better wait till that done. It could have taken days.
Lord. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
You
so-
have a brand new car for drive.
Alright, there's a guy. So we're gonna pick up a vehicle, you know, you see that, and then we're gonna get some food, you know, the thing goes already. So, yeah, man, stay tuned. Empress, tell them, say, peace out.
Peace out, my peoples.
Yes.
See you guys soon.
Oh, look out for the Empress niche.
Look out for Vibes with Empress Niche coming up
Oh,
before Kino leave.
Of
You know, the
course.
channel will be up and running.
she should start right now. No, we shall wait and right
A
now.
little
you
bit of
start.
everything. Anything you want to see, just let me know.
Yeah. You want to say she grow back over the locks? She can do that, you know? We should start all over back again. Alright, guys, just, you know, just look out to see what I go on. Blessed love.
Alright.
Alright, guys, so we are here to pick up Empress, here to pick up our vehicle. You know, a BMW. This is where the Empress pick up our vehicle. What them say is ready?
I'm gonna check it, make sure no damage or nothing.
Huh?
They're gonna check it to make sure there's no damage.
BMW. But them had to put it on the system.
No, they just walk around here and look on.
Oh. Guys, in here is warm.
Happy holidays.
Yeah, one thing though, in here is warm, like them have proper some heat, some hot heat that come out the ceiling. Like in here is so warm, like literally hot, in here hot. You can see it up there. This, that's where the heat is coming from. It's so hot. So we're inside BMW, you know. So at least now with BMW, when them service a car, them can give a loaner a car for go and drive, you know. So that's good. So
This is coming from, what was it, from what was that show? It's funny, it's funny, my girl dog. What's that puppy?
We adopted him this weekend. Yeah, there was a breeder in Louisiana that took him and like what was both.
I ate that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Easy parcel.
Yeah. Are your umbrella there? So you know we have to transfer a vehicle. We bring back the people them vehicle. We have to transfer a vehicle now. How are you going with this? That's what it's heavy?
I don't have the key. It's okay.
Oh. Oh, it just go.
Alright. So that's everything. Thank you.
Have a good one, night. Take care.
Alright.
I was vacay. Good.
Yeah. Empress are vacay.
Was it where there's a beach with sand in your feet? I'll take
Yeah.
I'll take
Yeah.
I'll take it.
Yeah, man. I was in Miami,
Nice.
but it's still cold.
It's still cold out there, huh?
Yeah. So we could enjoy the beach.
You know what's crazy that my aunt right now, she's in Texas, and she's telling me that it's cold out there too. It's cold, yeah, it's cold, yeah. Wait,
Proper cold, man.
brother, have a good one. Take care.
Cool, man.
Be safe, all right? Have a good one, guys. Take care.
Alright, man. Yeah. Cool. The guys like I'm just flying in from JA. Also, that chicken.
Let your head come off, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you have the key?
Yeah.
You know you can help me by doing this? What? Can you help me?
Alright, so guys, so we just pick up the vehicle. You know, as you can see, we just pick up the vehicle. So it's night. As you can look outside, it's night now. You know, it's early. You know, it's after 5. You know, but you know, it get dark. So time to go get something to eat now. You know, so we're probably like another half an hour away, right? From where we're gonna eat.
About 20 minutes.
About 20 minutes. You know, 'cause remember we're doing all of this coming from the airport, so I know we don't touch down yet. You know, so our love probably is gonna meet us there as well. Yes, guys, right now the worm them a ball in my belly. The worm them a ball say, me don't know where I pre about. It keen out. Look for me, you're hungry and you want some food. You force me to worm and sing so much right now. Oh, sir. Yeah, man. So we're gonna go to Triple Deuce. Guys, Triple Deuce is where we keep the meet and greet, like next door. And that's where I did a video about the restaurant, and I literally lost all my footage because my memory card got messed up. It got fried, you know. So that's where I'm gonna head to right now, you know. So I tried them food already, and it does taste good, you know. That's the first time when I came, you know. So I'm gonna try it back again, but I really need to do a next video, you know, to big up the man place, because trust me, he gave us next door to use, you know, free of cost, because I don't know he's a view of the program also. So you know, I always have to represent for each other. So I need to shout out his place, you know, for you guys can check it out, you know, Triple Deuce. That's on what the road name? Boston.
Yeah, Boston Road and East to 22nd Street.
Yeah, it says Boston Road and East 22nd Street,
yeah,
you know. So yeah, so it's called Triple Deuce, you know, deuces. So we need to go and check that out, guys. So if you're locally close by, I'm gonna show it to you once we get there, you know, and show you what the food looks like also, you know. So maybe this is the time we're gonna add this video now, you know, with a bit of Triple Deuce, you know. Hopefully music is not too much inside, so let's see. But I will show you some footage, show you what in there is like. Beautiful place, you know, nice food, nice everything, environment nice. Trust me, events, everything can keep there. So yeah, I'll show you what I got. So guys, so this is Triple Deuce right behind me. This is Triple Deuce. Doses.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.